Hello guys, this is Sadekur Rahman. Today I'm going to share you how to talk like an English native speaker. Oh, what is it? Hi, this is Sadekur Rahman. Today I'm going to talk you about how can you talk like an English native speaker. If you want to improve your speaking skills, then you have to improve your listening skills. Without improving your listening skills, you will not be able to speak in English. So the main point is you have to improve your listening skills. So come to the point why you will improve your listening skills, such as you are communicating with an English native speaker, you are doing a great job, you are in a corporate trainer, then you'll not be able to understand what other people are trying to say you in English. Your mind will not be able to catch the word of his voice. So that's the main point. You have to improve your listening skills, and without improving your listening skills you will not be able. So now come to the point, how can you improve your listening skills? If you want to improve your listening skills, then you have to follow some different stages, some different tips. Number one, you have to watch movies, you have to watch English blogs, you have to watch television, English television, and you can also hear the BBC radio. There is a different kind of radio channel. You can hear from this radio the English voice, and the last one, you can hear the English music, and that will help you a lot. So I have a suggestion for you. If you watch English movie, then I want to say that just more than 10 or 15 movie you should watch with English subtitles, and not more than, because if you watch all the time with subtitle, then your reading capability will be update more and more, but your listening skills maybe not update, and it will be lower than reading skills. And the main point is your listening skills will not be updated so much. That's my point is you will not be watch the movie whole time with subtitle. I think my suggestion is, without subtitle you should always watch movie, watch English television, watch English any blogs. Without subtitle you should watch. Okay, so there is a different things then you can do, and by doing this work you can improve your listening skills. You should watch you should hear the BBC radio that I have done almost every day. I hear the radio and I heard the radio, and by hearing this radio I am improving my listening skills. So guys, carry on and practice English with MD Sadekur Rahman. One more thing, I'm not an English native speaker and I do not know how to speak English properly. I am trying to improve myself, so you should stay with me and we will practice together and we will be better one day, inshallah. So see you in my next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.